Hey there, how are you all? Today I'm gonna show you delicious fudgy, spongy, chocolatey chocolate cake recipe, and the cake batter will be ready within 10 minutes while your oven is preheating. So first of all, we'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. If you don't have the oven, don't bother about. You can preheat a thick bottom vessel on gas on low medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes while placing the lid on. So prior to the batter preparation, we will start by greasing the cake tin. If you have cake tin, that's good. If you don't have, don't bother. You can take any big stainless steel bowl from your kitchen and you can simply grease it and place a butter paper in that and grease the butter paper. If you don't have butter paper, you can simply sprinkle dry flour on the greased cake tin or bowl. Here I am taking half cup of refined sugar. I am grinding this sugar to a fine powder. If you have no issues with sugar, you can add 1 cup of sugar. You can even use the sweetener of your choice. If you want to use stevia powder or if you want to use jaggery powder, you can use even brown sugar, or you can use any type of sweetener. You can even use icing sugar. Now I am taking 1 cup of curd and I'll add half cup of oil. The half cup of oil is minimum. If you want, you can increase the quantity of oil to 1 cup, which will increase the softness of your cake. So, same as that of sugar, you can increase the quantity of oil. Here I am taking 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I will mix all the ingredients very well. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Here I am taking 1 cup plus 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I have taken all-purpose flour in the measuring cup with the help of spoon and I removed the excess flour with the help of knife. Now I am taking the sieve. To that I am adding flour and the cocoa powder. Here I am adding half a cup of cocoa powder. I am using 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Whenever you make cake, it is better to use measuring cups and spoons for getting the exact measurements of your ingredients. If you don't have measuring cups and spoons, I will give the link in the description box so that you can purchase. I am adding here 1/4 cup of milk. I am using here full fat milk. Mix all the ingredients very well. I am adding another 1/4 cup of full fat milk. In total, I am adding half cup of full fat milk to the batter. Mix all the ingredients and make sure the batter has no lumps. Now transfer the batter to the baking tin. Tap the cake tin a little bit to remove any air bubbles present in the batter. Place the cake tin in the oven, set the temperature to 180 degree and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. The baking is done and I have left the cake for 10 minutes to cool down. And now I have demolded the cake and removing the baking paper or butter paper from the cake. You can see the cake is very soft and beautiful. Now I'll leave the cake for about 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will prepare ganache and coffee syrup. First we will prepare coffee syrup. For that I have taken half a teaspoon of coffee and added 2 teaspoons of sugar to it. Now adding 1/4 cup of water. Mix it very well and keep it aside. Now let us make the ganache. For that I am preparing a double boiler by adding water to a utensil. On top of that I am placing another utensil. To that I am adding 200 grams of dark chocolate. The flame should be low. And to that chocolate I have added 1 cup of condensed milk. The chocolate is melted and ready. To that I am adding some dry fruits and some peanuts. Now we will cut the cake horizontally. The cake is very soft and nice. I am cutting the cake with the help of knife in 2 halves. We will apply coffee syrup to both the layers with the help of brush or spray, or you can just simply add with the help of spoon. Now to 1 half I will add the ganache. The other half I will place on top of it, and again I will add the remaining ganache to the chocolate cake. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe my channel before you leave and leave your valuable comments in the comment section. The final look of the cake is here, and it is so beautiful. And I will cut the cake. You can observe by seeing the cake is so soft and spongy. And here the cake is ready. Enjoy. So I'll be back with a new video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.